Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll show you how to break up images into sections for supersized, flawless prints. First, click Create and select the appropriate size for your project. For example, I will choose this option. Select Instagram Post from the menu. This sets your project's dimensions to fit Instagram perfectly, ensuring your design will look great when you upload it. Click to continue customizing. Select Poster from the options, then choose Landscape Orientation. Once the file opens, you are ready to begin editing or customizing your document as needed. Design your own poster, upload images, or select a template to start your project quickly. Select this option from the template menu. Next, because we need to split the document for easier printing, we'll prepare the layout by dividing the content into sections to improve printability and organization. Click on the App section. Type Image Splitter into the search bar. Select the Image Splitter app from the results. Wait for it to load. Once your design has loaded, click on the Image Splitter tool. Before splitting the image, export your design by clicking the Export button. Choose Export as PNG from the options. This ensures you have a high-quality version saved before continuing with the image splitting process. After exporting, select the number of rows and columns you want. Here, I'm choosing 3 rows and 3 columns. You can also adjust border options, but I'll skip them for now. Once the process finishes, click Split Image. You'll see a preview of the split images right here, allowing you to review and confirm the results easily. After processing is complete, save the images to the Uploads folder. The generated images will automatically be created and stored in Uploads, making them easy to access for your projects or future use. In the Uploads folder, you'll find all 9 images you need. Simply locate each image and download them one by one to your device. Once all images are downloaded, you'll have everything required and you're ready to print them on your poster as needed. You just learned how to split images for large prints with Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.